Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Gocardless account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the Gocardless in Google. So once you do that, you can see there is a link at top on in the screen. So you need to tap on that link and you will be redirected to the official page of the Gocardless. So now you can see there is a 3 lines at the top left corner of this home page. So let's tap on the 3 lines and you can see I haven't logged in yet. So you can see there is a 2 option in here, login and sign up. So make sure you are already logged in as well. So let me tap on the login and let me log in before I log out from this account. So now you can see I have already logged in and you can see there is a settings icon at the top right corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on the settings. And you can see there is sign out option at the bottom of this menu section. So let's tap on the sign out and yeah, you will be able to sign out from your Gocardless account successfully. So basically this is how you can log out from your Gocardless account, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.